When we think of an SUV, the image of an expensive, luxurious vehicle often comes to mind. But the truth is, not every SUV will drain your wallet. In fact, there's a whole world of budget-friendly SUVs waiting to be discovered. So before dismissing the idea of owning an SUV, watch this video. Here, we are just about to reveal the best budget-friendly SUVs of 2023 that you might call hidden gems because they're gateways to adventure, luxury, and freedom, all without breaking the bank. Number 7. 2023 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, priced at $25,795, offers a budget-friendly option. It achieves good fuel economy, making it an economical choice for drivers. However, it falls short in terms of cargo space and presents an interior that feels somewhat dated compared to the tech-savvy rivals. Under the hood, you'll find a 152 horsepower 4-cylinder engine that handles most driving scenarios well. However, the continuously variable automatic transmission can generate excessive noise when you push the engine hard. Inside, the Eclipse Cross provides a comfortable cabin with supportive seats. The front row offers ample space, although the second row seats could use more headroom. While it comes with a standard 7-inch touchscreen, you have to opt for the larger 8-inch unit to access smartphone connectivity and most desirable features. Number 6. 2023 Subaru Forester. The 2023 Forester is another budget-friendly SUV hidden gem on our list. It got a fresh makeover last year and continues to impress with its unique blend of affordability, safety, and spaciousness. It doesn't break the bank, with pricing starting at around $26,000, while giving you a reliable and roomy ride. Step inside and you'll find a surprisingly roomy and comfortable cabin. It might not be the smoothest ride like some of the fancier rivals, but that's just because it's built for adventures. Most people want a reliable SUV with decent fuel economy and all-wheel drive, and the Forester checks all these boxes. With a whole load of passengers and cargo, the Forester might not be the speediest on winding mountain roads, but it's the perfect companion for those long audiobook journeys. The rear legroom is downright generous, rivaling some midsize sedans. That means you can easily fit 4 adults inside without feeling cramped. Just a heads up though, if you opt for the optional moonroof, it slightly reduces headroom and cargo space, so if those factors matter to you, keep that in mind. Sure, you might spot a bit of budget-friendly plastic here and there in the Forester's cabin, but focus on the comfortable seats and the practical storage spaces. The cargo space goes from 28.9 cubic feet with the rear seats up to 74.2 cubic feet when you fold them down. So in general, it might not be the flashiest, but it's reliable and ready for your everyday adventures. Number 5. 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer. The 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer is a subcompact SUV that's making waves as a budget-friendly gem. Priced from just $21,800, it's gaining attention for its roomy cabin and stylish exterior. It offers a surprisingly spacious interior, setting it apart from the pack. Its sleek and attractive design turns heads wherever it goes. Plus, the convenience of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, elevating your driving experience. For those seeking all-wheel drive, the Trailblazer has you covered with that option. While most subcompact SUVs aren't known for their excitement, the 2023 Trailblazer offers a more engaging ride. It offers 2 engine options, a 1.2-liter and a 1.3-liter, but let's be honest, the 1.3-liter is the way to go. It brings more power and slightly better fuel economy, making the 1.2-liter seem unnecessary. Most would agree. Behind the wheel, you'll enjoy a raised driving position, perfect for a clear road view. Inside, there's ample space, especially in the rear, boasting a generous 39.4 inches of legroom. Need to haul cargo? The Trailblazer covers you with a 25.3 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expanding to a massive 54.4 cubic feet when you fold those seats down. Now let's talk engines. The lower trims, LS and LT, are powered by a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine, delivering 137 horsepower and 162 pounds of torque. These models are front-wheel drive. Opt for the upper trims, Active and RS, and you'll enjoy the turbocharged 1.3-liter 3-cylinder engine producing 155 horsepower and 174 pounds of torque with front-wheel drive. Number 4. 2023 Kia Seltos. The Kia Seltos is a practical and stylish choice among subcompact budget-friendly SUVs. It boasts a unique design that's both sleek and refined, with a touch of ruggedness for good measure. This SUV is all about versatility, offering a surprisingly roomy interior despite its compact size, top-notch Kia tech features, and impressive safety ratings. If you're eyeing the Kia Seltos, you'll find the LX with all-wheel drive starting at $23,340, while the S front-wheel drive model begins at $23,390. The base 4-cylinder engine does the job just fine. It may not be a powerhouse, but it's fuel efficient, partly thanks to the CVT transmission, and has enough oomph for your everyday commute. One of the standout features of the Kia Seltos is its surprisingly spacious interior, setting it apart from its class. Despite its tiny footprint, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the generous passenger and cargo space it offers. The rear seats provide ample legroom for adults, and the cargo area is more than sufficient for your daily hauling needs. The Seltos impresses with an upscale interior design, especially given its price range. The controls are intuitive and easy to use, and it boasts one of the most user-friendly infotainment systems in its class. You'll notice even more excellent interior materials as you move up the trim levels. While it doesn't offer genuine leather seats, the higher trim features premium leatherette seating. Here's an interesting tidbit. The SX trim can even have a plum interior color package. If you ever dreamed of an SUV with purple seats, this is one of the few options out there. Number 3. 2023 Volkswagen To. The VW's newest crossover, the Taos, is known for its remarkable value. Don't let its compact exterior fool you, it's a winner regarding fuel efficiency and interior space. Beneath the hood, you'll find a capable 158 horsepower 4-cylinder engine with a choice of front or all-wheel drive. The only hiccup is the somewhat unrefined 8-speed automatic transmission. Nonetheless, the Taos offers a smooth ride in most driving scenarios. What's impressive is that both rows of seats are comfortable for adults, although the back seat is better suited for 2 occupants than the advertised 3-person capacity. Nevertheless, there's ample headroom throughout, and installing car seats is a breeze thanks to the conveniently located latch anchors. Even the base model comes with a 6.5-inch touchscreen and user-friendly features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The Taos deserves your attention if you're searching for a compact SUV with excellent fuel efficiency and interior space. And not to forget the price, it starts at just $24,155. Number 2. Mazda CX30. The compact Mazda CX30 SUV's stylish exterior, high-end cabin, and exciting performance have made it a crowd pleaser. It comfortably seats 5 and comes in 7 trim levels, giving you plenty of options. It's not just eye candy, it's a joy to drive. Solid power and agile handling offer one of the best driving experiences in its class. Whether you're cruising around town or hitting the open road, the CX30 delivers excitement and comfort. Speed is your thing, the turbo models won't disappoint. Talking about fuel efficiency, the CX30 falls in line with the class average. But what really sets it apart is its upscale cabin. Inside, you'll find a cozy, well-designed space with front seats offering excellent support. There's ample headroom and legroom in the back for adults with average height. While it might not be the roomiest option in its class like the Buick Encore or Kia Seltos, it certainly holds its own against luxury SUVs like the Audi Q3. Speaking of the interior, the CX30 impresses with high-quality materials and a modern design, making it feel like a premium ride without a hefty price tag. And let's not forget about that starting price, which is an attractive $24,325. That's the kind of value that's hard to ignore when you're looking for a compact SUV that combines style, performance, and a touch of luxury. Number 1. 2023 Hyundai Venue. The Venue, priced at just $19,650, is aimed at young urban professionals and certainly lives up to its billing. It combines affordability with user-friendly technology and a compact size that's a breeze to navigate. Under the hood, the Venue packs a 121 horsepower engine. While it may not be the most powerful in its class, it does a decent job in city driving. However, when you need to accelerate on the highway or make a swift merge, it can feel a bit sluggish. Nevertheless, for daily urban commuting, it gets the job done efficiently. It boasts solid fuel economy, reaching up to 33 mpg on the highway. Regarding ride quality, the Venue holds its own in most driving scenarios. You'll find interior finishes that align with its price range. It means you'll encounter many hard plastics and more economical materials throughout the cabin. However, Hyundai makes up for it with a standard 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is smooth and operates seamlessly on the responsive display, adding a touch of modern convenience to the mix. Are any of these SUVs fitting snugly into your budget? Don't be shy, spill the beans in the comments below. And if none of these wallet-friendly options float your boat, keep your eyes peeled for our channel's best SUVs under 10K list. We've got some other hidden gems waiting for you. See ya.